Hey friends, this is Miss Addison. I wanted to take a minute to go over the third week of school lesson plans and schedule with you just to make sure that you know how to find all of your assignments and what you need to do. So the template is exactly the same as it has been, so you guys should be familiar with the morning announcements and the enhancements. And then at 10 o'clock during our reading time, you guys have the Into Reading Classroom. Now remember, you click on the classroom and then you do whatever it says underneath it. So for this one, it says watch the short O, short U, short E, and syllables videos, review the spelling words, and review the sight words. So once you go into the classroom, those are the things that you're going to want to do and to watch. So make sure that you are clicking on that classroom in order to do the activities that are underneath. Now here, we also have, if you weren't in the Google Meet for that day, you can click here to read the story that will be read during our Google Meet. And then you have a writing response. Same thing here. You're going into the Into Reading Classroom, which is this, completing the activities that are underneath. If you weren't in the Google Meet, you need to read this story. And then if it has a GC beside of it, that means you have to go to Google Classroom in order to complete that activity. So if it has GC, it means that that assignment is posted in Google Classroom. Now, for Wednesday, since we don't have a meeting, you guys have some things here that you need to watch or look at, and then you are completing some pages in your My Book. Thursday, same thing, Into Reading Classroom, and then you guys are completing an activity in Google Classroom. On Friday, you have your spelling test, which the links will be here, so you'll click to watch the video and then click to do the spelling test in a Google form. And then your assessment, which will be in Into Reading. So then when we scroll down, all of your assignments for science and social studies, except for Friday, are in Google Classroom. And I will send a separate video out on that after this one. But these are all in Google Classroom. And I know that because it says GC beside of it. So for math, we have a Google Meet. And then you have more activities in Google Classroom. Here on Monday will be a poster and some videos to help you guys throughout the week because we will be doing forms of a number, so word form, base 10 form, expanded form. So all of that will be in videos here for you to watch if you need help. So then for our Lexia and Dreambox time, you guys will either get on Lexia or a Dreambox for 20 minutes every day, and then you have time to do work in progress, so going back to any work from that day that you didn't have a chance to finish, and then reading a book at home. If you don't have books at home, you can also get on Epic during that time. And then on Wednesday, you're doing 20 minutes of Lexia and 20 minutes of Dreambox. Remember to do your exit ticket each day so I know that you were present and that you were completing your work. Now, remember, GC means that you go to Google Classroom. At the top, I have also posted a link to some helpful how-to videos. So if you're trying to access something and you can't remember how to get there, you can click on the how-to videos, and we have one for pretty much everything that we've had to do so far. So make sure that you're using those videos whenever you guys have questions or don't know how to log into a website, because that is there for you. I will be posting a separate video on just how to access the math and reading assignments in Google Classroom, but the rest of the links are in here on the template. If you guys have any questions at all, please let me know. I hope you guys have an awesome week.